What's up guys, Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to share with you how you can generate high quality leads with LinkedIn polls. If you run a service-based business, this video is for you, so keep on watching. Now, what you want to do is you want to start by building your own LinkedIn content strategy that is aimed at your ideal audience of potential customers. What you want to create content that is directly connecting with certain business challenges that your audience is facing. Once you have built enough content, let's say you are posting for 7 to 14 days, once you have created enough content, you're using the right hashtags, you're connecting to the right people on LinkedIn, so you're building a powerful network, you're creating high quality content, it's really laser focused for your target audience, you will notice that your engagement will go up. Once you have enough engagement, the LinkedIn algorithm understands what kind of content you're creating and who might most likely be interested in that. That's the perfect opportunity to ask your audience a favor, to tell them which of the content was most useful to them. Alternatively, you can also ask them what is their most burning business challenges at the moment. This will allow you to identify topics that you can create next. It also allows you to identify people who have specific challenges. Now, based on whatever services or products you're offering, you might use that information to reach out to some people directly to ask them follow-up questions via direct message or via email. This is the perfect opportunity to start a conversation and to build a real relationship, because people telling you who they are and what is their current need. So if you are phrasing your question the right way and choosing answers that helps you identify people with specific business challenges that you are able to help them with, this is a great tool to generate leads for your business. Now, you want to be careful about how you use that feature. Don't create a poll every single day. Always switch between content creation and polling your audience. You might want to do one poll every 7 to 14 days at most. If you ask people more frequently, you will get less engagement. It's really important that you switch between content creation, value creation, and then asking your audience for feedback. Now, the top 3 ways how you can ask your audience, you're asking them for feedback, what specific content piece in the last 7 to 14 days did they like the most. You can also ask them what is their most burning business challenge at the moment. And thirdly, you can ask them what kind of content should you create next. All 3 ways are different ways how you can identify people who have a specific business challenge that you are able to help. And then you reach out to them, you start building a relationship, and then you can slowly turn this into like a sales conversation and convert them from viewer into customer. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use LinkedIn marketing and how to generate leads on LinkedIn with all kinds of different strategies and tactics that are super powerful, you might want to check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I put the link down in the description and into the pinned comments below with a link. And if you want to get more LinkedIn videos and LinkedIn marketing strategies in your inbox, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.